Hey folks, welcome to the Homeschoolers Co-op. This time our travels have brought us to the beautiful Auroville. Arohi and I first came to Auroville in the year 2018 as part of our travels. It was the 50th anniversary of Auroville and Sri Aurobindo's birthday. We got to experience the bonfire and explored various facets of Auroville. During our visit, we came to know that Auroville has many projects in which we can contribute as volunteers. So, in the year 2020, after the lockdown opened, we came here to do the same. And boy, were we in for a shock. We did not inquire beforehand about the rules and regulations of engaging with Auroville units, and found out after coming here that due to COVID situation, there was actually a quarantine in place. So our stay got extended by 15 days. We underwent the quarantine in a nearby village, and at the end of it moved into one of Auroville's beautiful guest houses. Where we celebrated Arohi's birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Arohi. Happy birthday to you.
Once here, I started volunteering with the Auroville Botanical Garden. Arohi and I got to take part in their nursery, moving bags and soil, cutting, planting, and watering the saplings. And weeding and cutting the grass. Jay and I also cycled up to this huge watchtower and had a little adventure climbing on top of it. Next, we moved into another gorgeous guest house inside Auroville, where we got to celebrate the festival of Diwali. Lived through a couple of cyclones celebrated Jay's birthday. Slowly. Slowly. Take a minute. Finish that. Come, finish. Jay, slowly. Okay. Kanika, come now. Sarsu, come now.
Now as if someone doesn't know.
Sarsu, come now. Come. Yeah. Vinu, you also.
Will you eat the whole cake?
Correct. You want.
Participate कर रहे कोई उसको केक नहीं काटने दे रहा है। Last but not least, task 3 hours. He's having a nice time.
Everything has to get cake. For which Arohi and her friend did a beautiful dance number. And organized movie screenings for friends and families. Round about that time, I started volunteering with an art studio here called Griva as the facilitator of their open studio. I also engaged in organizing around their space. And also started designing my own art courses. I also got the opportunity of showcasing 3 of my paintings in one of the exhibitions organized by the studio. I created the paintings in the studio. And they were part of an exhibition held in the prestigious Savitri Bhavan. It was such an honor and a pleasure to see my paintings displayed with 45 other paintings by 25 other artists, all residing in Auroville. While I was doing all this, Snehal and Jay started exploring a learning center called AHA Kindergarten, built and run on the same principles of unschooling that we follow at home. Snehal is currently volunteering with them in helping them document their daily activities. Arohi, on the other hand, has started exploring her own activities. She has taken membership of the Auroville Library, which has a beautiful children's corner, and goes everywhere on her cycle. She is also engaging in a number of dance forms ranging from Kathak, to hip hop. also started exploring a learning center called TLC, built and run by various parents and volunteers, where they engage children in various activities to learn and share, and a ton of outdoor adventures like lakeside camping. Currently, we are living in a beautiful Auroville community called Grace. We live in a beautiful brick house. And get visited by peacocks, sometimes on the rooftop, sometimes in our very backyard. The kids go to a playground called Certitude in the evenings, and also go for a Sunday breakfast where we get to engage and interact with so many amazing folks living in Auroville. Hey folks, our overall experience in Auroville has been a mixed bag. We have had such a fantastic time, while also at times facing a number of challenges. Auroville provides such a beautiful environment for families. It is an expansive forest and we got to explore it on our cycles. There are so many amazing multicultural communities here, where we got to engage with multilingual people from so many countries all over the world. Also, there are so many units where one can contribute by means of volunteering. As a family, it has been a very enriching experience for us, and only time will tell where we go from here on. Cheers!